This is Tully and Prince of Darkness, my two cats who were adopted out of a ditch earlier this year. And this is the RoboMouse 3000, a remote control toy they love to chase. All fun and games, right? Well, what if this was your perspective?
Oh, he's after my tail. I'm trapped. I'm trapped.
Yep, now you're the mouse. Let's get started. A few months ago, I made an Antweight combat robot using my attendee badge for open source, and I was test driving it around the living room, fully expecting my cats to be terrified of it. And maybe some cats would be, but no, not ours. Prince and Tully fear nothing and were super curious, following the bot wherever it went, and occasionally batting at it. And that gave me an idea. We have this wind-up mouse that they love to chase, but as soon as it stops moving, they lose interest. So what if I made a remote-controlled mouse toy that could keep them entertained for hours? And I reckon building one is pretty much the same as building a small combat robot, minus the weapon, so I got to work. To start with, you need 2 gear motors to propel it. I got these awesome surplus ones from AliExpress, a battery, speed controller, and a transmitter and receiver combo. This is the Malenki Natto, and it actually has the receiver and speed controllers all in one board, so it makes wiring a heck of a lot easier. And this was my first design. I wanted something compact and streamlined with a hint of mouse aesthetics, but if I'm being honest, this looks more like a computer mouse than the squeaky kind. The wheels are well protected, which I like. I didn't want them getting chewed off, and it has this TPU bumper at the front, which I thought would protect our floors. But it turns out this is just grippy enough to make the platform kind of skip along the floor in an interesting but awkward kind of way. They do find it really fascinating though, and when you attach a cotton rope tail, Prince absolutely goes for it. Unfortunately, with the really small wheels and low ground clearance, it's pretty slow and gets stuck quite often. But that's really funny when it does, because Prince will go and then bap at it to keep it moving. So we're on the right track. For version 2, I went back to the drawing board because I want an increase in speed and maneuverability. And to do that, I made the wheels much larger. Now they're on the outside of the platform. This does make them more vulnerable to attack, but instead of making them out of hard plastic and O-rings as tread, I actually decided to laser cut them out of EVA foam. Yes, believe it or not, you can safely cut EVA foam on a laser cutter. A few years ago, I actually used EVA foam to make inserts for drawers to hold delicate electronics, and in this case, it actually makes these really awesome lightweight wheels. EVA foam, however, doesn't have much traction, so I also designed in these little divots to give it a little bit of tread in case it needs it. By the way, I cover all kinds of 3D modeling and 3D printing tips and tricks on Maker's Muse, so if that's your kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. The new tail is made from this paper rope, which I've found is a safer alternative in my eyes to the finer cotton twine, but to incentivize play even further, I wanted to add a way for the RoboMouse to yield treats. And let's be real, if this thing has kibble inside it, I reckon they'll pursue it to the end of time. Now, I may have spent an entire day designing a gear motor powered spring-loaded kibble kicking mechanism, which may or may not have exploded in testing. But I think for durability and safety, a hopper with just a little hole in it is the way to go. But all through this design adventure, there was one thought at the back of my mind. What if we could get a first person's perspective from this robot? What if we could see what it sees as it's driven around? Well, it turns out it's pretty easy to do. FPV, which stands for first person view, is a method used to control radio controlled vehicles from a driver's or pilot's viewpoint. FPV has become hugely popular for stuff like drones, for drone racing, and the gear is actually now really affordable. So I bought this low-cost set of an FPV camera with the transmitter built into it, and these goggles which receive an analog signal on the 5.8 GHz spectrum from the camera to them. And you know what? I actually really dig the aesthetic. It's analog, it's lo-fi and grungy, and it kind of reminds me of the aesthetics you get in those grungy horror games like Escape from the Backrooms. But this is real life, baby. Real life cat and mouse. So let's take it for a spin, shall we?
The room beyond has been transformed into a cardboard cityscape, with buildings towering over narrow roads and maze-like alleyways. You, as the RoboMouse 3000, must navigate this cardboard jungle in an effort to piece together a special code. This is the code for your escape. But you're not alone. Stalking these streets are two gigantic predators. Find the code and get out.
Remote. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. That's not look. Hi kitties. Hi babies. I already got the Prusa boards. Oh, hey Prince. No cats allowed. Ooh, secret code. This is a bluff. This is gonna be a bluff. Oh, I can see something. What's it say? Hold on. 5, 2, 1. Alright. Oh! No. Sir, can I go past? May I go past, sir? Yes? May I go past? Oh. Yes. Ah! He's after my tail. No. 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 I'm gonna go this way. What's this behind you? The poo-poo palace. Oh. I don't see any codes. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Escape. 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 Ah! No, he's got my tail. No. The kibble bank. Oh, that's a code. Okay, what's that say? 3, 2, 5. I've totally forgotten what the other one was. Oh, I gotta go back. I need to get past them. Sneaky. Feline fancy spa. Is it in here? No. Where was it? Oh, that's right. It's back here. Okay. Alright, we're in. Isn't it where that like the glowing light is? Okay, secret code. So it's 325 521. 32521. Okay. I need to make my escape. Escape. Ramming speed. Escape. Way.
Building the RoboMouse 3000 has been an absolute blast. It combines all of my passions into one. It's a remote control robotics project. It's involving my cats, which I love very much. And it's a game. It gamifies the play of these creatures because they need 24/7 entertainment. Well, except when they're sleeping. And as you can see with Prince, these kittens are getting pretty large. So if you'd like to help me keep them well fed, you can find the limited edition Tully and Prince Maker Coin, also linked in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again in the next one here on Maker's Muse. Catch you later, guys. Bye.